This is a make-or-break moment for Energy Transfer. They report on Feb 17, 2026 before the market opens. Here's the setup. Here's what happened last quarter. They reported earnings per share of 28 cents, missing the expected 33 cents by 5 cents. Not good. Revenue came in at $19.95 billion. That's a 4% decline year over year. Stock barely moved. Just 2% options are pricing a bigger move. Here's what analysts want to see. Analysts want to see 36 cents in earnings per share. Revenue needs to hit $23.6 billion. Now it's on management. Let's look at what shifted since then. Suspended Lake Charles liquefied natural gas export project after a decade of development. Adding to that, signed major AI data center gas supply deals with Oracle and Cloudburst. We're also seeing Desert Southwest Pipeline upsized to 48-inch diameter with 2.3 BCF per day capacity. And finally, 2026 outlook targets $17.3 billion to $17.7 billion earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, representing 7% growth. Let's start with the bull case. 6+ BCF per day of AI data center contracts with 18+ year terms. On top of that, $5 billion to $5.5 billion growth capex targeting mid-teen returns in 2026. And finally, 7 to 8% distribution yield with 1.66 times coverage and 90% fee-based earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Now let's look at the bear case. Long-term debt increased $3.3 billion to $63.1 billion with leverage at 4.0 to 4.5 times. On top of that, distributable cash flow fell 4.8% despite record natural gas liquids and gas volumes. And the biggest concern, 2 consecutive earnings per share misses, and Lake Charles liquefied natural gas project abandoned. We'll know soon. Let me give you the bottom line. First, watch the earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization number closely. Q4 needs $4.3 billion plus to stay near guidance. Second, data center contracts are the new narrative replacing the abandoned liquefied natural gas strategy. And third, 2026 guidance update will move the stock more than backward-looking Q4 results. Drop a comment if you want me to cover another stock and follow for the earnings reaction.